Hello guys, are you aware that Google just dropped new AI essential course for people who want to switch from one career to another? Google just dropped a new AI course. So let's go there. This is our Demi Technology channel. Here we talk about tech and how to make money with tech, with your phone, with your computer. If this is what interests you, why not go ahead and subscribe to our channel? Why not go ahead and share this video so that your likes and your peers will also see this video and watch it. Please don't forget to drop your comments. I am actually going to read that comment and respond to you. So as time goes by, people are actually finding a way to use AI, finding a way to solve their problem. New ways every day, new ways every day. That's why you see so many generative AI are popping out and coming out every single day, and people are being either happy or sad about it. Some people are happy to see that new creation that is coming out. Some people don't care. It's people's mindset. It's different mindset. You will not choose for somebody what is going to like. But then if you don't know anything about AI, if you are a beginner on AI, I'm not talking about advanced AI. If you're a beginner on AI or you want to know what AI is all about, Google just released a new course called AI Essentials, and I'm going to take you through that course. Even if you don't have any prior experience with AI, you are the person Google is looking after when they are developing this course. The course is called Google AI Essentials. It's taught in English and it has two other languages available if you want it translated. They just need to drop this course. The enrollment of this course started 8th of June. The enrollment of this course started 8th of June, and today is 8th of June 2024. And I'm talking to you, 56,005 people has already enrolled on this course. As I'm talking to you, remember this course was supposed to start enrolling people on 8th of June, that is today, and as I'm making this video, it's 9 a.m. in the morning West African time. 56,005 people has already enrolled on this course. Let's go down and see what this course is about. This course, what will you learn? You will learn use of generative AI tools to help you develop ideas, content, make more informed decisions, and speed up daily work tasks. You can write clear and specific prompts to get output you want. You can use AI responsibly by identifying AI potential biases and avoiding harm. You will develop strategy to stay up to date in the emerging landscape of AI. All right. What are the modules that are available? There are 5 modules that are available in this course. Google AI Essential is a self-paced course design. Self-paced means that you are not competing with anybody. If you want to be doing one module per day, one module every 24 hours, is up to you. If you want to do the whole 5 module in one day, it's up to you. So it's a self-paced course designed to help people across roles and industry to get essential AI skill to boost their productivity. Zero experience is required. Like I told you before, you don't really need any experience when you want to start this course. This course is taught by an AI expert at Google who are working to make the technology helpful for all of us. All right. The first one is Introduction to AI. You have an hour to complete this course. The second one is Maximize Productivity with AI Tools. How we are going to maximize your productivity with AI tools. And this is going to take 2 hours. Is the module 2. It's going to take 2 hours to complete this course. We have the module 3, Discover the Art of Prompt Engineering. This is how you are going to learn how to ask a generative AI questions, how to ask the right question, and how to write the right prompt for you to be able to generate the right answers. And it's going to take 2 hours to complete. The fourth one, that's the fourth module, is Use AI responsibly, to be sure that you are not using AI the harmful way, to understand when AI is biased, because this AI, they are not human, so they use what is presented on internet. Do you understand? So that you will use AI responsibly, and this is going to take you an hour to complete. And the last one is Stay ahead of the AI curve, to learn how to understand what is happening in AI world, to know how to always stay at bay when they are discussing about AI. And this last one is going to take 2 hours to complete. Actually, you are going to get your certificate The instructors are top AI instructors in Google, and you're going to get Google career certificate for this. I will advise you to check out this course, AI Essentials, after watching this video. If you really attend to this course, remember to share us your certificate so that we will give you a thumb up. Remember to subscribe to our channel. This is our Academic Technology, where we talk about how to improve yourself on tech, how to make money with tech. Please share and subscribe to our channel. See you in our next video.